Here it is. This is what it looks like. And this is your sediment filter. And I'm going to open it. Take this part out. I don't know if it comes out. What this is. Okay, this is the in. This is the in. So what goes around here, around this, and goes into the move towards the center. I'm going to take this, pull this, pluck this out. Okay, so this is your sediment filter. Quite dirty inside. So a reason for opening this is I want to see how it differs from a pre-filter. I also want to gauge the pre-filter, whether it's doing its job. So this looks a little okay. I think the pre-filter, it catches most of the dirt. This has been in the machine for about a year. Let's see what it looks like inside. Open this up further. It's like this. This is how it is. If it's brown inside, it means that the dirt is getting through. So I think my pre-filter isn't looking at how dirty it is inside. I think I'll have to use a different pre-filter candle. So this is what it looks like inside your inline sediment filter. And this is what they use. Okay, so this comes out. What is this? Okay, sponge, and you have inside, I don't know what this is. Oh. What is this? Looks like this. See that? I don't know what this is. Let's go out to see that better. Don't know what this is. So that's your precarbon coconut shell based activated carbon. That's what this is. Look at it. Now I'm going to open up the RO. We'll cut it open over here maybe. This is the RO water, this is the waste water. RO, waste. We'll cut it open here. See, the RO is built a lot stronger. The RO housing is, see how thick it is. And see the thickness of the other. This is so thin. See the wall diameter compared to. I guess this RO takes a lot more pressure. So that's why. So this is what it looks like inside the. This is a sealed type. This is not the openable type, obviously. You know. This is the in. What goes in here? This is a membrane. Get that out. Okay, so out comes the membrane. Here it is. That's the membrane inside. And look inside. So, I don't know. I guess wastewater goes out there, and good water comes out here. You see if it's pure water comes out there. Look how dirty it is. This is a seal type, so it's supposed to be cleaner than a openable housing type. So that's it. I won't open this further, but I think it's again, it looks like a sheet which has been wrapped around, rolled around like that, sort of looks like that. Okay, that's your post-carbon filter. What's this? I'll take this out. That's it. Nothing else. And what these are. Let's come out here. It comes out. It's openable. It looks like a solid carbon block, I think. I don't think this can be cut. This comes out, so this looks like one solid block. I don't know what it is. For my system, I replaced this. I put a mineral cartridge instead of this. Let's see if we can cut this. Let's try to cut this. Not much. It's just carbon all the way, I think. So that's your post-carbon, which is very different from your pre-carbon. Some of these videos, they show pre-carbon and post-carbon as though it's the same filter. One is used at a different stage, but no. Post-carbon is very different from a pre-carbon. We have the UF. I'll cut this open. And so that's your UF, also called ultrafiltration. That's your UF. What the hell is this? I don't know what this is. It's a Kent. Let's take this out. So that's your UF. So there's nothing, just hollow. That must be the out. Yeah, flow. Flow is this way, so that's the out. And so water goes in here and then pass through this. What are these things? I don't know what this thing is. Okay, done. So you open it up, and this is what your UF filter looks like inside. That's your UF filter. I guess it comes out here or something, water. Yeah, water probably comes out through this, goes through here and goes out. So that's all. That's 5 filters that I opened today.